In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize YouTube videos fast using NotebookLM. If you're someone who wants to digest video content quickly and effectively, you're in the right place. With NotebookLM, you can easily pull the transcript of any YouTube video and refine it according to your needs. Now, let's dive into the process. Let's begin by heading over to a web browser and going to Google. It's the first step toward accessing the NotebookLM platform. Once you're at Google, type in NotebookLM into the search bar. Keep an eye out for the search results, which will include the official website for NotebookLM. Go ahead and click on the NotebookLM website link. This is where all the magic will happen. Once you're on the NotebookLM website, you'll see an option to try out the tool. Click on Try NotebookLM to start your journey in summarizing videos efficiently. The platform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so don't worry if this is your first time using it. Inside the NotebookLM interface, you'll notice an option to create a new notebook. Click on Create New Notebook to set the stage for summarizing your video content. The next step is crucial. Locate the link section where you'll have the option to add content from various online platforms. Click on YouTube to prepare for inputting your video link. Now, switch over to YouTube and find the video you'd like to summarize. Once there, play the video, and while it's open, navigate to the address bar and copy the video link. This is the link that we'll use to pull the video content into NotebookLM. Head back to NotebookLM and paste the YouTube video link into the space provided. This action integrates the content of the video into your notebook. Once you've pasted the link, look for and click on Insert. This will allow NotebookLM to access the video's transcript. As NotebookLM processes the video link, it will automatically pull the entire transcript of the video. This is where the tool shines by making the transcript accessible and ready for further refinement. Now, if you want a more polished summary, you can add a prompt. Let's use an example prompt like, "Give me a concise 10-bullet summary of this video." Once you've added your prompt, click on Submit. This command will instruct NotebookLM to process your request and deliver a comprehensive summary based on your specifications. In just a few moments, you'll have a clear, concise summary of your video thanks to the power of NotebookLM. And there you have it, a straightforward way to summarize YouTube videos fast with NotebookLM. This tool can be a game changer, especially if you're someone who consumes a lot of video content but wants to save time. I hope you found this tutorial useful and easy to follow. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And enjoy your new ability to quickly summarize video content.